Alright, so now we're going to cut the onion. So as I said, I got this big old yellow onion here. You can do the sweet onions too. These are great. Just get the big ones. To make it easier to do, we're going to slice these instead of dice them. So I just like to get the whole onion and just go long ways here. And as you can see, then we have a flat surface here, and we want to leave this portion on a little bit. That's the root end. It just makes it hold together a lot more. And then just go ahead and take that end off of here. Same thing on this side. Set that aside. These are great for composting too later. But go ahead and peel the onion long ways like this. Pull that off. Same thing with this. And as I said, we're going to slice this one instead of dicing it, because this is going to go so well with your steak. Go ahead and slice it just like that. You can see how these are going to fall apart. These are going to be just great with the pan juices. Go ahead and go through the whole onion. Now these onions are so big, you're only going to need a couple of them for 4 people. I mean, these are just beautiful, beautiful onions.